All right, man, here we go. I believe this is going to be the last day I'm going to get to flood fish while it's still good, because after this it's going to get into the 30s and the fishing is going to go more into a winter pattern in a hurry like it did last year. As I was pulling up to the spot, saw some people who had clearly been fishing. They had fishing rods in their hand and they were leaving because it was raining. They clearly don't know what I know. If they did, they would not have been leaving. This flood is just now getting here. It's going to be, the current is going to be picking up. See all the sticks and stuff out there in the water? That was the previous water level of this pond. It was that low. It was down 2 or 3 feet. So when it got low like that, little trees and shrubs and stuff started popping up in that mud as it's starting to dry. It's very fertile. Here's some, you can see the debris line here. I sure would have loved to have fished it when it was this high. That would have been awesome. Fish, fish, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Only made about 3 casts. That's a nice one. Probably close to 2 pounds. Man, he's hooked in a weird way. Be hard to lip. All right, he's fat. Been pigging out the last couple of days. Hooked perfectly. That's a nice one. Let's tripod him just in case, you know. I've had a few days where I've had fish that were borderline tripod fish and I didn't tripod them, and it ended up being the biggest fish of the day. So don't want to screw that up again. 1.2, there you go. 1.9. It read 2 there for a second. Locked at 1.9. All right. We're pretty damn early. I mean, the water is actually rising as I speak. Nice one, almost 2 pounds, about a ½ ounce shy. Make sure to get that close up so we can piss off as many people as we can. Also got to make sure to add a hook to your scale that adds 1 ounce. You'll piss off even more people. All right. Oh, it's so soggy down here. Here you go, bud. We've been fishing not even 4 minutes. Look at him, there he goes. I actually think the sun coming out is going to help me with this underspin. It'll give off more flash. All this water here in the current is extra muddy. There we go. Come here, bud. Okay. Almost a clone of the last one. See, where'd you get it? Almost the exact same spot he got it too. He got the freaking hook in the same spot. And he's almost the exact same size. This guy's maybe 1/10 of a pound smaller than the last one, in the exact same spot. Alrighty, see if we can get like a 4-pounder. That'll really make the day. So many freaking shad right in here. Thousands upon thousands. Look at that. Remember when I said there were shad jumping everywhere? There's 1, 2, at least 3 just right here. Fish. Yep, it's been a while. Finally got another. Right in the top of the mouth. Another one fairly healthy. don't know how we'll tripod them, but I kind of want to. Trying to be out of everybody's way here. Go. The most disappointing thing by far is the fact that every time I come here I see fish jump. So I know they're in here, but they're just giving me the finger, you know, and I don't like being given the finger. So is what it is. 3 fish on the day. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Fishing's about to get real tough as it gets cold out here.